Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In this one, you will learn or practice about the linear equation or solving equation. As you can see in last video, we already learned about transposing method for solving equation. And then in this video, we will practice a little bit more about this method. You have 12 questions in this slide, so one by one I will have you to solving this equation, and you can do it by yourself first. Stop video right now and you do it by yourself, and then you compare to my answer. Okay, question 1, you got x plus 7 equal to 15. So applying for transposing method, I want x stand alone in one side, so I will move plus 7 from left hand side to right hand side. This is 15, and when you move 7 from left to right, 7 have to be changed from position to negative side, negative 7. So x equal to 15 negative 7, it is 8. So that is the first question. Question 2, you got x plus 9 equal to 18, and x plus 9 from left move to right is become to negative 9. 18 you got here 18 minus 9, you got 9, and x equal to 9. Yep, okay. Question 3, you got 10 plus y equal to 12. 10 plus y equal to 12. You got y is variable, so I will unchanged position for y, and I will move 10 from left to right. From left it is 10, move it to right, you got minus 10. So y equal to 12 minus 10, you got 2 in here, so y equal to 2. Question 4, you got 2 plus c. For this question, you have c is variable. C is variable. And then you got 9 minus 2, because 2 in left hand side is positive. Move to right hand side, 2 become to negative. So 9 minus 2, you got c equal to 7. Yep. So that is the first 4 question. Question 5, you got a plus 3 equal to 7. Okay, so a equals 7 minus 3, and you got 4. You got a here, 7 minus 3, you got 4. Yep, okay, that's the question 5. Stop video right now and write down first 5 questions. Okay, go on. Question 6. You got x plus 4 equal to 9, and then you got x equal to 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5, so x equal to 5. Question 7. You got a plus 5 equal to 11, and you got a equal to 11 minus 5. Remember, it has to be minus because in left hand side it is plus, so right hand side it is minus. So a you got 6 because 11 minus 5 equal to 6. Question 8, you got 9 plus a and 15 here. A have to be unchanged. A is unchanged for a. 15 minus 9, you got 6. Okay. Arrow. Yeah, that is the way how can you show your working out. You should show working out, that's like me. 6, a plus 1. Move plus 1 from left hand side to right hand side, you got 6 minus 1. And then you got a equal to 5. A equal to 5. Okay. Question 10. You got a plus 8 equal to 15. So you got a equal to 15 minus 8, from plus become to minus. Transposition method. Okay. A equal to 7. And question 11. You got 7 plus c equal to 10. So c in this one, you got 10 here and minus 7. And then you got c equal to 10 minus 7, it is 3. 10 minus 7, it is 3. Okay. And the last one, question 12, very easy for you. Yeah, very easy. C plus 2 equal 3, and then you got C equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1, C equal to 1. So we finished first 12 question for practicing transposition method, solving equation. Remember, solving equation is not easy. So this is just the first method when you want to solve equation. So practice it a lot about this kind of exercise. It will help you a lot in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.